Good afternoon everyone. This is our project Airport Residency at Airport Gate number 3 near Jasha Road, Birati Crossing. You can see this is the living cum dining area. So come inside. It's a huge living cum dining area, approximately 23 feet long into 12 feet in breadth. With this living cum dining, you can see this is the L patterned countertop of the open kitchen, along with this French style balcony. Beautiful light at the kitchen, and now you can see this is the balcony space adjacent to the living cum dining, and see the balcony space. Excellent balcony space and beautiful view of the city from the balcony, and you can see the internal roads of this project. So this is the internal road, and now come inside. So now we are entering into the lobby space. On my left side you can see this is the first bedroom. So we are entering into the first bedroom. See, excellent space. This bedroom is having 14 feet long into 13 feet breadth, with a very big size French window and an attached toilet. So you can see this attached toilet. Ample light in the toilet, and now we are going towards the second bedroom. And on my left side you can see this is the common toilet area. So excellent space for common toilet, rectangle shaped. And now come this side. This is the second bedroom. This is the entry, and see, this bedroom is having 2 windows and another wardrobe space. This is a wardrobe space, and just see the view from this second bedroom. Beautiful view, excellent air and light. And this side also you can see the view. The gap between tower is excellent, and this complex is having all the modern facilities and amenities. So you can have swimming pool, gym, community hall, all these modern facilities and amenities, including one central garden. So thanks a lot for watching. If you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are having only single unit left of this size. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.